Today I'm going to share with you what is aromatherapy. I'm going to do this quick video today, which is a part one in a multiple series of videos. If you want to hear and learn more about essential oils, what they are, how to use them, the history behind them, and I will even share some recipes and all things oily with you, right? Let's get started. Aromatherapy is the practice of using plant oils. Now, when I say plant oils, I mean these volatile plant oils. Now, what do I mean by volatile? Do I mean, boof, they're gonna explode and be crazy on us? Because that's what we generally know the word volatile to mean, right? No. Volatile in this instance just means that the plant oils simply evaporate into the air. And so we can smell them. Now, so I guess that means the plant oils don't explode on us, right? But we get to smell the plant essences, the plant oils, and that's pretty fabulous, especially when it can change maybe how we're feeling, like our moods or our physical well-being. The plant essences also amongst the plant itself, the plant essences are used to attract or deflect, is that the word I want to say? Protect from insects. And essential oils in many ways help us to do the same things. We can use these for protection of ourselves, like things from viruses. We can use them for many healing purposes. These essential oils are used in many ways. We use them for psychological and physical health to help us feel better. We can use them so comforting. We can use them for protection. And they just smell so wonderful. So part one. If you are interested in learning more about essential oils, follow me. If you have any questions that you would like answered, feel free to DM me. I would love to connect with you and answer any questions you may have about essential oils. I use them a lot. I use them in hair care products to help grow hair. I use them on my face. I use them as a detoxifier for things that may be going on in my liver. Rosemary for times when I do videos like this and I just can't seem to remember what I wanted to talk to you guys about. Essential oils are so beneficial. So this is part one. Follow me below for part two.